All right, you guys, so we have this 4-pack mold repellent right here. I reviewed it, but unfortunately the footage got messed up. So these are screw-in mold repellents. It says it repels moles, it repels snakes, gophers, groundhogs, skunks, all of that stuff. And it says it repels squirrels. So this is a screw-on, solar powered. I forgot to take the paper off right here, but this is solar powered. Make sure you take your beauty cover off. Or one thing I gotta mention to y'all is that my dirt is very soft, okay? Just to let you know. And this is my issue lawn right here. So this was a tunnel right here. So we have mold tunnels all through the front yard, you guys, and they destroyed the yard. The moles, or vows, whatever you call them, moles, vows, basically all the underground animals destroyed my front yard. At first they destroyed the backyard until I put mold repellents in the backyard. So we got tunnels all over, okay? And basically I put these out just to see if I can control them a little bit. And I think we did some progress. I don't see too many tunnels. It's starting to get a little bit flatter. I had it out for like a week or two and we're doing pretty good. But again, if you plan on getting this, keep in mind of your soil. This do have a hexagon head right here. So if you have a wrench or something, you can tighten it with that. But you just keep going down, keep going down. Now, this is definitely not like the previous ones that I had in the past. It is going to stick out maybe a couple of inches from the ground, okay? So you may want to put it in a corner so when you cut in the grass, you know, you can avoid hitting this with your lawnmower. Or if you want to put it like right there in your garden area, then you should be good. Now, how do this work? It works with sonic vibration, and the critters don't like that. That's basically how it works. So you do get 4 in a pack. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. What I'm going to do is spread them out now. At first, I just wanted it all in this one area because this is where they chill. Like whatever the groundhogs do, they party, whatever they got going on. For some reason, this area right here, this box is their play box. So this 4-pack mold repellent, they cover up to 8,000 square foot. And if you get an 8-pack, it covers up to 16,000 square foot, which is crazy, right? But the goal is to set it on each corner. You can set them 100 foot apart, and that's how much coverage it does. So if I want this in the very corner right here, my lawnmower, of course, is not going to fit in this corner. So being right here in the corner is okay. Now, if you're worrying about how loud this thing is, your neighbors won't be mad at you, okay? We reviewed one where your neighbor definitely going to be mad at you. Yeah. So we got one there, one there. Of course, this is not 100 foot apart, but you know, I'm worried about my front yard, so I want to make sure that I control my front yard. So right here, it's a little rough. So what I would need to do is just get a wrench, grab it on here, right here on top, and then twist, and then keep twisting, okay? And when I do that, I'll probably put like a cloth or something around here and then twist it. That way I don't break the plastic on here. All right, you guys, so we are about to close out this review, but I do want to say if you have a garden, vegetable garden, flower bed, if you worried about your grass like me, you know, if you do your grass work, if you do anything dealing with the lawn, then this type of product will definitely be good for you, because these underground animals will tear up your lawn, you guys. They will build hills. You will have to knock down the hill, do some re-leveling and all of that. So we have a lot of work to do this coming August, September, October, and November. We have a lot of work to do with this front yard. I want to get the front yard looking good, okay? That's just me personally, all right? And that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next product review.